Hey guys, so I haven't done an unboxing video in a very long time, it feels like, and I just received a canvas lamp, and I'm really excited about this because it is essentially like a ring light that goes over what you're working on, but also holds your phone so you can film stuff really easily with your camera. And so I want to show you exactly what we're working with this before I even jump into it. So this is a totally unbiased opinion, um, but something that I will say I'm very excited about diving into. This is what it looks like. So it's a beautiful wood base, and they have tutorials. This is their Instagram, shopcanvas.co. And then, oh, super well packaged. We got a box in a box. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, this packaging is fantastic. So they do take really good care of making sure that it arrives safely. I feel like there's oh, I bet the wood base is underneath here. Okay, so I want to make sure you guys can see everything. So bring that out. And it looks like there's another box in here. Okay, which includes the base. So I'm going to get this out of the way. So it looks like these are separated to make sure that they're nice and arrive in one piece. This is very heavy, so it's really nice and heavy duty. It's got this, I don't know if you can, I won't go too hard, but you can kind of hear the weight here. And then I'll open this part and we'll see how everything comes together. In this box, we've got a clamp, and then we also have, so this is probably if you don't want to hook it up to the base, so you can clamp it on to a desktop, which is a nice feature. And then some simple installation there to hook things up. Right here we have got our, this is probably for the mount, so it's a ball head mount. And then we have our plug-in, probably some installation instructions. Move that out of the way. And then here is our funnest part, which is the lamp itself. So you can see it's on springs, and the springs have tension, so you can maneuver it however you want, which I'll get into when we're done putting this together. Don't worry, I'm not going to make you sit here and watch this whole thing. I'm just wanting to show you what it's like to unbox. So if I put this in here, this looks like a little screw to open it up, and then it will insert like so, and then tighten back up. This is nice because being able to loosen it means that it can go back and forth like this, and twist, which is nice. You can change the tension, or you can go pretty hard so it doesn't twist as easily, but that's a nice feature. One of the things that I know about this lamp is that it has a lot of capabilities as far as how it moves. So it can come this way, this way, this way, tilt this way, up and down. So that is a really nice feature. It looks like plug here. So look, it has a USB, so that can plug in directly to this plug into the wall. This would probably also work well and run off of your computer, which is nice. You can see that was a super, super quick installation. It did not take any time at all. It looks like on the bottom side there's this tightener, so you can tighten the way that it lays. So what I'm curious about with this lamp is how much weight it can hold without coming down. It looks like it's got this adjuster here to make it so that it's nice and firm. It's also got, let's see if I can get it in frame. It's also got an adjuster here to make sure that's nice and tight. Again here so you know. So let's see. I have it sitting on the lamp now. I didn't even clamp it in, and it looks like it's balancing wonderfully. And let's see, raising it up. Yeah, there's no budge at all. Raising it down, there's no budge. So it's really easy. It's not super stiff or anything, which is fantastic. And it gives me plenty of space to work with. I'm sorry you're seeing my messy desk. I had a paint party earlier or last night, so that's why that's there. But you can see that it does a really nice job there as far as focusing. So let's look at the light now. I'm gonna carry you guys with me. I'll try to do a really good job not making my video look Blair Witchy. All right, so this is the remote here. You can power it on. You can see this is probably the warm light setting. And then I believe it's probably this button here. Yeah, so this goes to a cool light. We've got a middle light and then a warm light. So it does a really good job with like balancing the light that you need for your project. And then you can also turn it down and turn it up. So if I was to turn it down, you can see it's getting darker. And the effect is less, and then turn it up and it has a nice bright light. So if I was to put my phone here, again, I'm just balancing it, I'm not clamping it. It has a nice broad light, and it's probably gonna be really nice when my window light isn't here to interfere, so I don't have two light sources, so that when I'm working, it'll have a really nice bright light. I also noticed, and I want to point this out, a lot of lights you will see, especially when, you know, in art videos or something like that, you'll see some lines across that. This type of bulb is a good bulb. It's probably LED. I should know this, but it's not giving us that noise, so that's a good thing as well. I also like that when I move my desk, there's very subtle movement. If I'm, you know, writing or drawing, it's not going to be shaking all over the place, which is a common issue with like a lot of mounts. So it's really sturdy. So far I'm a big fan. I've linked it below so that you can check it out for yourself. I just want to show you components again. And this is on the back side. This is what that looks like. So you can see with very little effort, I'm able to rotate any way that I want to, and it's nice and tight to where I was just balancing my phone right here. I didn't even clamp it in. So you could probably clamp it if you're doing any sort of like talking head and you need that ring light for that. So yeah, really awesome lamp. I have to give it to them. They know what they're doing. So hope that's helpful. All the things that YouTubers say, subscribe, notifications, that kind of stuff, because I have tutorials all the time, and then I like to also let you guys in on the newest best products that are going to help with your workflow.